Buongiorno! It is our first full day in Sardinia.
Stromboli. Some of our tips while you're in Venice.
From the Dolomites. Buongiorno.
Buonasera. So you want to go to Italy. Maybe it's your honeymoon, your first time to Europe. Everybody dreams of going to the land of the Romans, the pizza, the pasta, the cappuccino.
Hey! But with so many great cities in one beautiful country, it can be really difficult to plan your trip. And that's why we're here to help you plan your first trip to Italy. Ah, Italy!
Oh,
our favorite country in the world.
It's amazing.
Oh, love it.
All right, this brings us to our top 5 destinations in Italy. And this was not easy for us to make this list. So number 1, everyone knows it, everyone loves it, the Amalfi Coast. Positano, Sorrento, Amalfi. This is the place of love. This is a place of beauty. It is one of the most beautiful locations in all the world. There's nothing like the steep hills and the cities built up on these mountainsides next to the beautiful Mediterranean. Ah.
Number 2 is the regions of Tuscany and Florence. So Florence is your capital of Tuscany, and Florence is filled with the Michelangelo and art, and that's where all of your art students go to study because it is the art capital of Europe. But surrounding it is the famous region of Tuscany, which is where all of our favorite wines come from. So you can spend your days tasting in Montalcino and Montepulciano, and that's where the famous Brunellos come from, which are our favorite red wines.
The third one, this is the big hitter, Rome. Yes, everyone knows about it, but this place is just drenching with history, and the sights are covering the city. Even if you're not a history fan, you'll still be inspired by all the beauty and architecture and art that makes up the city of Rome.
Our 4th best destination to go to in Italy is a sleeper. So shh, we're only telling you guys. And that's the region of Puglia, where my ancestors come from, and this is the heel of the boot. And now to the rest of Italy, Puglia is known as the breadbasket of Italy. And that's because it has the best food in all of Italy, says the Italians, so you know it's good. Now, when we visited Puglia, we went to towns like Monopoli and Alberobello and Ostuni, and all of these places offer something unique that's not like the rest of Italy. And it's quiet, it's unspoiled. They have beautiful beaches on the Adriatic Sea.
So while making this video, we had a life-changing experience in Italy. We went to one of the most amazing spots in the entire world.
That's the Aeolian Islands. They are our #1 place to go in the entire world. Not only Italy, the entire world.
So we had to change our list after making this before we published. So Aeolian Islands, right off the side of Sicily, has some of the most stunning islands, beautiful waters, and an active volcano that you can hike every single day.
So the Aeolian Islands are made up of 7 islands and 5 islets. And these islands, while they're inhabited by people, they're not frequented by tourists. So you can actually live la dolce vita. You can have your Italian vacation, your dream vacation, with beautiful islands, amazing food, and no tourists. Hello.
And the best way to see it, which we recommend, is by a sailboat. And that is our last and final recommendation for our top 5 Italian spots to see. As always, I'm Scott.
And I'm Colette.
And we are Romaru. And if you like what you saw and you plan on going to Italy, please like and subscribe below.
Grazie mille. Mwah.
Ciao.
Ciao.